2908 East 17th Street, 3 bedrooms, 1 bath, with basement and a 2-car detached garage. Needs a new roof, new windows. Sorry, my bad. 4-car garage. 2 on this side with a door, and on the other side, in the front, there's a 2-car garage as well. Property was rehabbed 2 years ago. New AC unit, furnace and water heater in good condition. And that's in the basement. Tenants just moved out today. Living room, as you can see, issues with the roof. It's gonna need to be replaced. Right now it's leaking. Drop it on the ground. First bedroom, bedroom number 1. Dining area. Bedroom number 2. Runs right into the bathroom. Bedroom number 3. Closet. Pantry closet. More closet room. Kitchen. Washer and dryer hookup. Basement. Back door. Let's take a look in the basement. There's the electrical panel. Basement is dry. It's been raining all day. Door, furnace, water heater. If you're interested in buying this property, feel free to contact me today. Information is below.